We're at the 2021 SEMA show, and behind me is a special resto mod. Now, car reveals are plenty throughout the show, but this '69 Mustang for Keith Urban came together because of SEMA Garage's partnership with Ford Motor Company, Jay Leno, and many other SEMA member companies. Now, we've had the behind-the-scenes access to this vehicle, so we're going to give you 5 key features. First up, let's talk about the powertrain and the drivetrain. This Mustang is powered by a 5-liter Coyote engine and a 10R80 10-speed transmission. This combination is found in the current model Mustang GT. The engine also includes a Roush supercharger and custom Borla headers. Moving on, let's talk about brakes and wheels. SEMA Garage partnered with Willwood Disc Brakes to upgrade the original braking system to 6-piston disc brakes in the front and inboard 4-piston disc brakes in the back. With the help from Ford, Forgeline designed custom wheels inspired by the 2021 Mach 1 that sit on Michelin tires for extra grip. Next, the team tackled the suspension. The goal was a smooth ride and great handling, whether at the track or taking a drive downtown. The entire suspension differs from a stock '69 Mustang. This resto mod features front and rear subframes from Heights and an independent rear suspension, greatly improving the handling and drivability over the original design. Additionally, Bilstein supplied triple adjustable dampers to tune the vehicle to the driver's comfort. With the driving experience handled, the team turned to the interior. This allowed everyone to be seated comfortably. The custom design includes everything from heat and sound dampening to new seats. AC and heat units round out the amenities. The final and most time-consuming feature, the paint and body. Dynacorn provided the body paneling to get the project started. After that, the team at Santini Paint and Body aligned the body panels before prepping it for paint. After laying down the primer, PPG came through with a custom paint mix affectionately dubbed Mariana Blue. These are just 5 key features of this resto mod, but there are plenty more. The vehicle will be displayed at the 2021 SEMA show in the Ford Motor Company booth. The efforts of many SEMA member companies and the SEMA Garage came together for this build, which resulted in this beautiful resto mod. The SEMA Garage wishes to thank Ford Motor Company and all the SEMA member manufacturers that brought the vehicle's limitless possibilities to life.